Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm going to show you this, all right? It's a mystery diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. There's been several, and I have passed on all of them. I'm just not the kind of person that wants to spend a lot of money on something. I don't know what it is, and I don't know if I will like it or not. But this one, somebody shared the picture with me, and I was like, okay, yeah, I'm going to do this one. But if you don't want to see what it is, then stop here. Don't look any further. If you want to have a clue, I mean, I'm not going to post the picture of it or anything, but you are going to see what the colors are and things like that. And I don't know what we'll be able to see on the canvas. So if you don't want to see anymore, then stop here. Don't watch, all right? I only got it because I did know what the picture was. So that's why I got it, and it's very pretty. This is called Mystery Kit Mother's Day Floral by Edward. And it's a 98 by 70, so it's a big one. And, you know, these aren't cheap, like I said. And I'm the kind of person, I have a certain style, a certain taste, and I wouldn't want to spend that kind of money on that's just me. If you don't care, you buy all the mystery paintings, you know, that's up to you. But I'm a little more picky than that. The fun will still be in the fact that you can't see what this is, really, until you actually work on it. So it's still going to be fun to do, right? Even though I know what the picture is, because I don't know exactly what the picture is. And I looked at it once, really. So anyhow, there's that. Oh, look, here's our little card. And it says, thank you for purchasing one of our mystery kits. Seeing a blank mystery canvas come to life is fun and unique. We're confident you'll enjoy it. We only print a limited number of them. You'll be working on a collector's piece, which only a few possess. As a kind reminder to help preserve the element of surprise, we would sincerely appreciate it if you do not post any spoilers or photos of these mystery kits in the Diamond Art Club Facebook group. However, you are more than welcome to post on your own social media channels if you would like. And that's what I'm doing, right? But I'm telling you, I'm warning you right now. Okay, and that's just the sticker. Sticker's not going to do you a whole lot of good. There's nothing on it except for the size. All right, let's look at the toolkit. So you can still watch the toolkit if you'd like. Anyhow, some people I know are out there that are like me, and they really want to know. They want to, want to know what they're getting for their money. That's me. Baggies. Want some baggies? We have some multi-placers, 4 and a 7. Love those. Here's my stopper for my tray. Look, I have a green pen and a green squishy with this kit. This is a floral. I'll tell you that. It tells you that much. We know it's floral. We have our wax pot with our wax and our little caddy to keep it all in. Nice and neat and tidy. Here's our tweezers. It is a square drill. Did I say that? It is square. Yeah, square. So there's our tweezers, pointy tweezers. I did finally stab myself with these the other day for the first time. Didn't drop them on me or anything. I just had them sitting somewhere like this, and I went right between my fingers. I didn't bleed or anything. I just got poked. Anyhow, here's our tray. The clear tray. They're hard plastic. And the stopper that goes in it. And as per usual, the black tweezers and the clear boat go together. All right? Okay, set that over there. Here's a cover minder. I have not gotten a cover minder like this one. It's got something on it, though. It's got paint or something on it. There, scrape the paint off. There we go. Yeah, it'll come right off. But it's just, I did the mom thing. You guys didn't see that. Yeah, I licked it. I know, right? So it's just a square. Interesting. I've never seen one like that before. Interesting. All right. Okay. And then our washi tape. Ooh, the washi tape's really pretty. It's all foiled and stuff. That's cool. I like that. Nice. That's pretty. Okay. All right, that's the toolkit. All right, let's get into it. I'm excited. I mean, even if you wanted to fast forward, if I show some of the canvas, you don't want to see that. Maybe you want to see the colors. Come on. Sometimes they come off like a dream, and other times they're like, nope. I'm going to just, like this one. He's like, no, I'm just going to tear a hole in your bag. So if you want to see colors, hang out for a minute, or just pause when you're ready to pause. Here's their soft canvas, the tarpaulin canvas, the serged edges. I'm going to unroll it, so you're not really going to see anything here. It's all black and white, right? All black and white. That's what mystery kits are. Even the legend. Look, the legend's black and white. So, no spoilers there so far. Let's get everything out. Da-da-da. I told you it was large, right? I told you. I warned you. It's big. Okay. So here is our pamphlet. Now the pamphlet has information, tips, tricks, directions, links, things like that, codes. If you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club before and you want to save some money, you can use my code, which is 10 off Mindy. That will help you on your very first purchase at Diamond Art Club. After that, check in here on your canvas, in your box, join the VIP group. There are codes to save you money everywhere. Here's our sticker sheet. You don't have to worry about this one, except to know that it has 67 colors. It is a floral. I would expect a lot of colors, right? 67 colors. There's our symbols. Anything. Oh, look, we get a clover. I don't think I've ever had like a 3-leaf clover. I've never had that symbol before either. You see that one? That's interesting. So those are kind of new to me. The clover and that one are new. Huh. Interesting. Star. I've had that one before maybe. All right. So AB is still the same. Anything under 150 is an AB. So it has 4. 141. I know that's white. 132, 128, and 109. I don't know those colors by their number. Here's your information down here at the bottom about the size and things like that. And here's our drills. It says Mystery Kit Mother's Day Floral. So here's the first opportunity you have to like shut off the video if you don't even want to. If you don't even want to know the colors, but look at them. Very pretty. That's like every color of the rainbow, I think. Yeah, very pretty. All right. So here's that big legend. Like I said, it's all black and white. It's a huge legend for 67 colors, right? Huge. All right. So this is where you might get a little glimpse of what it might be. Do I show the whole thing? I've warned you. I warned you. So I'm just going to show the whole thing, right? I'll show the whole thing. You can kind of tell what's going on here. You can kind of tell. I mean, it's flowers. It's floral, all right? And that's all I'm going to say about it. But, okay, let's just zoom you in. Like, look at what it looks like up close. I mean, it doesn't look like much, right? There's not much going on here. You can't really tell. So it's still going to be fun. Even though I know what the picture is, I'm happy knowing what the picture is. But it's going to be fun to just see what these colors are, because you're not going to know what they are until you, like, you know, kit it up and pull them out. So the licensing information is at the bottom. And like I said, it's, wow, his name's not on here. It's Edward through Artbeat Studio Licensing through MGL Art. But the Edward part's not on there. I think that's his first name. Anyhow, but there it is. Yeah, that's all I'm going to show you. So if you were too worried about figuring the whole thing out, you know, you're not going to figure the whole thing out. All right. Okay. Let's do this. We're going to flip this over. Then you don't have to even worry about seeing anything you don't want to see. If you're listening, you can come back now if you don't want to see the canvas. I'm just going to show the colors. If you like color, this is for you. And I love me some bright colors. So, you're a bright color lover. Here we go. Look, beautiful purple, 327. We got a pretty green, a pretty pink, golden color, another pink, 2 of these beautiful teals, and then 2 of these bright blues. Another green, that's like Pepto-Bismol pink, tan, red, another pink, his flowers, right? Red, pink, oranges, yellows, of course. A couple of blues there. Nice. Loving the colors. The colors are beautiful. All right. Oh, they've got 1 911 and then 2 910s, which are super close. This is interesting. I have no idea where these are going to go, but these are like a gray AB. gray or taupe color. That's the first AB, and there's 2 bags, as you can see, 2. Aurora Borealis, iridescent coating. I see greens and yellows coming off those right now. All the colors, and they sparkle and they shine and they look so pretty when they are on your canvas. That's interesting. 2 big bags of like this gray color. All right, a couple purples, magenta, some greens, 2 of the 319s, 2 3765s, and then a 3756, which is another blue. That's a really dark blue. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. They're yellow. What in the world? Do they have yellow drills mixed in with them? I think they do. They do. They got some yellows mixed in. Oh, boy. Well, pretty orange AB. That's nice. 791, pretty purpley blue. Chocolatey color. Another gray. Lots of beautiful colors. Okay, where are we at now? Where are we at? Here we go. Okay, those are pretty. Those are super pretty. 3848, 2666 reds, a brown, some creams, another gray. This is like a peachy red right here. Those are pretty. 2 browns, 2 creams, another purple, another pink, a coral, a burgundy, some 550, yay. What would a floral be without some 550, right? And then white AB. So we got a gray and we have a white. All right, gray and white. Okay. If you watch my videos at all, you know that my favorite thing for ABs is to put them in flowers and leaves. So, yep. Look at that bright yellow. 307 is super bright. Green, 2 742 oranges, and another gray. All right, we're still hunting for ABs, aren't we? This is a brown, blue, orange, another purple, more blues, a light blue and a dark blue, a dark brown and a light brown, a pink, burgundy, purple, blue, pink, black, another burgundy, another light purple, a pink AB. How many ABs? I only remember seeing, what did we see? Pink, gray, white. Are we missing an AB? There are 4, right? Yeah. All right, so let's see. 128 is the pink. What else did we have? I feel I'm missing something. Maybe I saw them and I just don't remember. Was that all that was in here was the pink? I think so. Pink. All right. What else did we have? Come on. White. That's 141. All right. That's 2. I don't know. I'm going to go through them real quick here. That's 2. 2. Nothing in here. Nope. We had the gray. Gray. 2 grays. Oh, and the orange. That's the other one. I got them all. Okay. My bad. So sorry. You guys are yelling at me. I know. All right. So that's the mystery kit. And here are the beautiful colors. Do you want it? I don't know if it's available. It was. It didn't sell right out. Because I thought about it for a while. There's the colors. What do you think? Pretty, right? Very pretty. Okay. That's all I'm going to show you. So, I hope you enjoyed. And hope I didn't spoil it for anybody who didn't want it spoiled. I gave you plenty of time. Plenty of opportunities to not watch. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm going to put a few drills on this and see what I think. See how it goes. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.